Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So from BEL, which is Navratna PSU, we have great opportunity. There are total 229 vacancies for engineers. Salary will be CTC 12 lakhs approximately. If you complete your BE Tech in electronics communication, mechanical, computer science, instrumentation, information technology, electrical, electronics and electrical, then you are eligible for this recruitment. All over India candidates are eligible. Now we will see detailed information quickly. So let's start the video. As always, we see important point. First important point, there is 60% criteria for BBTech candidate, okay, for general OBC and EWS, and 40% criteria is there for SC/ST and PWD. Posting you will get anywhere in Bangalore, then Jodhpur, Batinda, Mumbai, Vizag, Delhi and Indore, Ghaziabad. ठीक है, तो ये लोकेशन उन्होंने दिए हैं. Then exam centers only we have in Bangalore. Okay, so they will conduct the CBT in Bangalore itself. तो आपको Bangalore travel करना पड़ेगा if you are living outside Bangalore. Process will be first they will conduct your CBT which have 85% of weightage, and then they will conduct your interview which have 15% of weightage. And the main important thing is that this job is on contract basis, but वॉट इज द गुड थिंग अबाउट इट कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है आपका टोटल 7 साल का है, मतलब 5 साल कंफर्म आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. ठीक है, एंड इफ प्रोजेक्ट गॉट एक्सटेंडेड देन यू विल गेट 2 years एक्स्ट्रा. So obviously this kind of job definitely I will recommend for all freshers. You can apply. If you are already working in PSUs or any government job then you can skip this job. Okay, क्योंकि सैलरी CTC बहुत ही अच्छा है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस पे. अगर हम देखें जो भी प्रीवियस रिक्रूटमेंट्स आए हैं बेल के, सो 12 लाख CTC इज गुड एंड इन एडिशन लॉट्स ऑफ अदर पर्क्स आर आल्सो देयर. तो डेफिनेटली जो फ्रेशर्स है कंपलसरी आप इसको अप्लाई करो. बाद में फिर डेफिनेटली विद दिस जॉब यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर अदर आल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. Those who are studying in final year, you are not eligible for this recruitment. Okay. Next thing is age limit cutoff date. So age limit cutoff date is 1st November 2024. Age limit is 28 for general EWS, 31 OBC, SC/ST 33, PWD 38 general, 41 OBC and 43 SC/ST. Importance formality started and it will end on 12th December 2024. Okay, so I will make form filling video for this recruitment. You can just watch that, and if you have any query, any problem while filling the form, then you can ask me in the comment box. Tentatively your CBT is scheduled in the month of December. So how to prepare, what is syllabus, everything we will discuss in our strategy video that I will upload soon. Okay, so just wait for that. Next thing, fees. So fees will be 470 rupees for general EWS and OBC, and for SC/ST PWD there is no fee for you guys. To break the vacancies, so here you can see in front of you total electronics we have 48 posts. Okay, now see लोकेशन वाइज जो है उन्होंने वैकेंसी बाइफर्केट किया है. ठीक है, तो ये फर्स्ट लोकेशन है BGFT 01. तो देयर वी हैव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स 41, मैकेनिकल 52, कंप्यूटर साइंस 75, इलेक्ट्रिकल 2, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स 3 बाद में अंबाला, जोधपुर एंड बठिंडा में. ठीक है, बाद में इन मुंबई एंड वाइजैक ओनली वी हैव वैकेंसी फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पब्लिक. देन वाइजैक, दिल्ली, इंडोर वी हैव कंप्यूटर साइंस, एंड इन गाजियाबाद वी हैव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस वैकेंसीज. ठीक है, सो टोटल यू कैन सी कैटेगरी वाइज वैकेंसीज हियर. नाउ द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट कि ब्रांच वाइज जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, ओके, कैटेगरी वाइज वो नहीं दिया है. सो दिस यूर 99 इंक्लूड्स ऑल द ब्रांचेस, दिस EWS इंक्लूड ऑल द ब्रांचेस. सो आफ्टर योर फाइनल रिजल्ट बेल विल डिसाइड कि मैकेनिकल से कितने पब्लिक लेने हैं, EWS से from computer science how much public we should take for OBC, SC/ST. ठीक है, that decision is totally in hand of BEL. So that is after result we will get. Now most important thing, that qualification. So for electronics we have total 85 vacancies. Okay, for which those who complete BE BTech in electronics you are eligible. Electronics communication, telecommunication, electronic instrumentation communication, telecommunication, all of you are eligible for this. ठीक है, for mechanical only 2 vacancies we have. Okay, 52 vacancies we have. So mechanical, mechatronics, industrial engineering and management, you guys are eligible for this. Then for computer science total 90 vacancies we have. Okay, those who complete BE BTech in computer science, IT, then data science and engineering and artificial intelligence also they have included this time. So this opportunity is also for you guys, those who complete BE BTech in AI and DS. ठीक है, for electrical 2 vacancies we have, electrical and electronics, that is triple E branch. So you can apply for electrical post. Next video will be your form filling, and after that we will discuss how you can prepare for this recruitment, what is the syllabus and everything. So this is a great opportunity from Navratna PSU. Okay, you can prepare with me also in our MSP. We definitely will target this recruitment. If you have anything, any query, any doubt, then definitely you can ask me in the comment box, on application, on Telegram, on WhatsApp, right? So I will meet you in the next video. All the best.